just gonna start off with 1 cup of flour, right? This is all-purpose flour. Here I got 12 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna go ahead and melt this down. Now right here, we got 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, black pepper. Here I went in and took some fresh parsley. I just went ahead and chopped it up, and just to get it to dry out, because you know when you buy it, it's kind of like wet, you know, from the produce department, right? We're gonna use this for garnish. And then right here, look, this is lemon pepper seasoning. I made this lemon pepper seasoning. You know what? This is like super easy to make. This is the most important thing I gotta tell you guys. This right here is salt-free. Right here, I got 3 lemons. Lemons is up to you. You're gonna need just really 1 lemon. I'm gonna say 2. You're gonna need 1 to cut yourself some wedges, and then you're gonna need 1 so you can go ahead and do like this, because we're gonna get some zest from that. These are lemon pepper wings, folks. We finna make it pop. Now, this right here, I got about 4.5 pounds of chicken. You know, these are my chicken flats and the drumettes. You know what I mean? These are my chicken wings. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need yourself a big bowl, because we're gonna take this bowl, we're gonna do a lot of flipping and tossing. In there in the melted butter. Now, remember our seasoning. Now we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of it in and just give it a stir. This right here is what's gonna do it, you guys. This right here, when I tell you, when you guys, you know, give it to your guests, or you eat them for yourself, or however you do it, you're gonna find out. You know what, only way I wanna know is down in the comment section below. You guys tell me. Now, that's a whole lot of butter, fresh lemon juice, you know, and lemon pepper seasoning, which we made ourselves, right? Don't forget, you guys, don't forget to leave a comment and let me know. If you guys want to learn how to start making your own seasoning, now's the time, let me know. And hey, we're gonna go ahead. And again, remember, this is salt-free. And this butter I used was salted, so this is the right.